What if I told you that your life won't change because of big decisions, but because of tiny habits you repeat every single day? This is the core idea behind Atomic Habits by James Clear. In the next few minutes, you'll discover powerful ideas that can completely change the way you live your life. Most people try to change everything overnight. They set big goals, feel motivated, and then lose that motivation within days. The problem is simple. They focus on goals instead of systems. Atomic Habits teaches that small habits, repeated daily, lead to massive results. If you improve just 1% every day, you will become significantly better over time. One of the most powerful ideas in the book is identity change. Instead of focusing on what you want to achieve, focus on who you want to become. Don't say, I want to read more. Say, I am a reader. To build good habits, you need to follow 4 simple rules. Make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, and make it satisfying. For example, if you want to read more, place a book somewhere you can see it every day. Make the habit visible and easy to start. At first, these small habits don't seem important, but over time, they shape your life, your mindset, and your success. If you truly want to change your life, stop chasing big goals and start fixing your daily habits. Because in the end, you don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems.